Waikiki Beach Tower 1903. Waikiki Beach Tower is located in the heart of Waikiki and is within walking distance of shopping, entertainment, and many casual and fine dining restaurants. Water sports and equipment rentals can be found just across the street at the world-famous Waikiki Beach. This spacious 1,025 square foot 2-bedroom, 2-bath condo is air-conditioned, has a large lanai, and features one of the most breathtaking panoramic ocean views of Waikiki. It offers spectacular ocean views from the master bedroom, living room, and kitchen. This comfortable condo sleeps up to 7 people. The full kitchen includes Asian Mahogany cabinets with a refrigerator, dishwasher, range, and a microwave. Also, there is a breakfast counter with bar stools. The living room has a 58-inch smart flat-screen TV with free Netflix, a DVD player, a desk, and a queen sleeper sofa. The views from the master bedroom are fabulous. This bedroom is furnished with a comfortable king bed, a 40-inch flat-screen TV, and a private bathroom. There are beautiful Acacia hardwood floors and a hand-carved wood door. The bathroom features marble countertops, a shower with a raindrop shower head, and a handheld shower wand. There is also a Toto toilet washlet. The second bedroom has 2 twin beds, which can be made into a king on request, and a 40-inch flat-screen TV, Acacia mahogany hardwood floors, and a hand-carved wood door. The second bathroom has an oversized tub and shower with a handheld shower wand, and also features a Toto toilet washlet. The extra-large lanai stretches the full length of the front of the condo, affording wonderful outside dining opportunities, panoramic ocean and Waikiki shoreline views. There are 2 lounge chairs and a high-top table with 4 chairs, perfect for having dinner and drinks while watching the surfers and sunset. The recreation deck overlooks the ocean and has the following amenities: a fitness center, a yoga workout room, a heated pool and jacuzzi, a secondary wading pool, a barbecue area, cabanas and lounging areas, and restrooms with lockers and showers. The Royal Hawaiian Shopping Center and the new International Marketplace are just a short walk away. The condo contains a washer and dryer, linens, towels, dishes, cookware, and high-speed Wi-Fi. Free parking is available for 1 vehicle, and a condo offers free local calls, as well as long distance to the United States mainland and Canada. The Waikiki Beach Tower is just across the street from the beautiful Kuhiho Beach Park and some of the top beaches in Waikiki. Why not make the Waikiki Beach Tower 1903 your next vacation home?